My name is Jan. Welcome to Brodak Manufacturing. I'm going to give you a little walkthrough tour of the manufacturing building and show you what we do here. This over here is the paint. We have a little paint shed across the street, and we get our paint our clear in thinners and such, and we have somebody that mixes the pigment into them, and once he gets the pigment mixed into them, we put them into pint and 4-ounce cans. They come up here, up to this building, and they get labeled in this building.
So you've done this before. You're experienced.
I was there before the building.
Oh, okay.
This is all the small items that get packaged over here. Everything is numbered from smaller numbers all the way to the larger numbers. The girls across the street will come over here. This is all overstock in this building. Nothing sold out of this building. The girls will come over here and pick out of the boxes whatever number item that they need. When the boxes are empty, they'll take the boxes over. There's tables over there, which you'll see later, and they'll bring the boxes over there, and then I know to refill the boxes. Most of these products are made right here in this building. This wood handle is made in this building. The metal bar is made here. The looping is all done here. This is all done in here. Most of the products are made here in this building, and some of them are not. None of the orders ship from here. There's a hobby shop across the street, and everything gets shipped out of the hobby shop. The orders come in through the web, the website, the phone orders, email orders, and they do the shipping over there. All this is all the overstock. This is all the different styles. This whole area here is all the different styles of fuel tanks. These are a fuel tank kit, and they're made here. They're made here from the beginning to the end. All the metal is a big sheet of sheet metal, and it's cut down and bent here, and the tubes are soldered in here. This is all the control line kits that are all ready to sell. They're complete, they're wrapped, and they're just sitting there overstock waiting to sell.
You have just a few of them.
Yeah, there's a little bit of them. We recently, and when I say recently, I mean within the last 10 years, we picked up the Dare Design line, and that's what this is over here. This is all the Dare Design kits. There's free fight kits, there's RC kits, and we package those here. We make them and package them and laser them. This is all the labels, the box labels for the Dare Design kits and the plans.
So you can buy just the plans, or the plans go in the kit boxes?
No, you can buy just the plans if you want.
Oh, good.
You can buy plans, you can buy pattern sheets. This is John Parker. John Parker is
Hi, John.
He is the laser guy. He's the laser tech. He does all the lasering. He does all the wood, cuts all the wood.
This is an industrial size laser? Oh, okay.
So here we do our longer fuselages on that one.
Yeah.
This one's 18 by 32, this one's 33 by 45.
Good size machine. Thank you. This way or that way?
Oh, we can go this way.
Okay.
Yeah, we'll go this way. This is where the tanks are done. This is the fuel tank area. And the guy that does the fuel tanks, he's not here, of course, today, but because we're not running the factory this week because of the fly-in. But he, I'm not real sure about the process of this, but I do know that he cuts the metal down to size for each different tank, and he puts the grooves in them, and then he makes the ends. And he hand solders the tubes and the ends in each one individually. Here's one that's finished.
Yep.
I'm going to take you over in this area. I should have took you around that way, but that's okay. We'll go this way. This area is the packaging area. And this is where the girls bring the empty boxes. This is the boxes that are empty. This is my area. And I run the website and do the website updates and put new products on the website, and I do all the packaging. When the boxes are empty, they'll bring them here, and I know to fill them and put them back on the shelf for them. And these kits are already done, and they are packaged, and as you can see, this is the United. It's a control line kit, and it is fully packed. You can't get another thing in here. A lot of times when guys come through here, different people will come through for a tour, and they'll say, well, if I take it out of the box, how do I get it back in? Because I don't want to build it right now. Well, I can't tell you how to put it back in a box, because when I do the kits, I set it up to do a run of 10, and I have little cards made, and I figure out how many of this, how many of this, how many of this, and write it on the cards, and I set my wood up and run my box down through. One of these, two of these, one of these, three of these. So without it being like that, I can't really get it back in the box. And as you can see, this box is full.
Yes, it is.
Now, once we're waiting on the instruction book to be printed for this one. When I get the instruction books printed and it gets closed up, this machine right here is the one that puts the seal on it. And the plastic just rolls out like this. I'll put the kit in there and then close it down, and it puts the seal on the outside of the box. And then this is heated, and when I turn it on, it rolls and it sucks the plastic, just like when you buy a puzzle and it sucks the plastic on. So that keeps it clean for us. If you turn around, right behind you is all of our box labels and details.
Wow.
For every box, every kit. I have everything in alphabetical order.
So I get the impression you run this place.
Well, yeah, John Parker and I have been here for a long, long time. We were here before the building. We were here from the beginning, and we worked together.
So nothing gets done unless it gets by Jan, right?
And all of this up here, these are all, I try to keep everything in alphabetical order because there's so much of everything, and it's too hard to control. All these are extra parts for any of our kits from A to Z. If somebody crashes a plane, they need extra parts or whatever, we have them. We keep them up there. When I do a run, I'll put the extra parts up in these boxes and throw them up there. You can buy fuselages. Anything that's in a kit, you can buy. You can purchase. Now all this is our line of electric. All this. That's all of our electric items. Everything's in number order. And down here is all the rib sets. We try to keep these on hand because a lot of guys like to buy the rib sets, buy the pattern sheets, and buy the plans, and do their own building, their own cutting and building from scratch. This is the instruction books. When somebody wants to buy the ribs, the pattern sheet, if they want to build their own, they don't want to buy a kit, they want to scratch build it, then they'll buy the instruction book. This is the instruction book. Now in the instruction books, John Brodak takes the pictures and writes the instructions. As he's building the prototype, he will take the pictures, then he'll write the instructions. And then, of course, we have in-house printing right here, and the print shop will print our books for us. Oops, I didn't show you the labels. All this is all the labels for all the small items. And the print shop here in-house prints those. This is all my sample packages. I keep a sample of everything so that I know how many of what goes in a package. Just keeps me a little sane.
Yeah.
Let's see. Should we go over to clay? We'll go over into the wood room. We'll
Okay.
go over to the wood room and then throw.
Oh wow.
Again, this is Parker's area, the wood. And he's counting his pieces of wood. Most of our wood comes in 36-inch pieces, and he'll order it. If he needs it longer, special pieces, he'll order that special. But for the most part, it's 36 inches, and he cuts it down from there.
Where do you get your wood from?
We're getting it from Bud Nelson right now. Nelson?
Mm-hmm.
Nelson? I'm not sure.
No, N-O-S-E-N?
Right here.
Right.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, there you go.
Minnesota.
There you go.
Bud Nelson, yeah.
Yeah. We were getting it from Canada, but they went out of business, so we had to get it from Bud.
Mm-hmm.
Parker. Here. He could- You explain what you do here. This machine, that
This
machine.
is our pin router machine where you do all of our fuselages on here because of the half-inch. The laser doesn't like to go through it as well, so we do a lot of our fuselages on the pin router. And it runs, it comes down, runs, and then we just go around it, around the jig that we make. We make all the jigs here, and then out of half-inch plywood, and then we just run them on there and cut them out each one. So we got enough to finish whatever, how many kits we're doing. We
You
have
do-
a shaper here that does the,
Sorry.
we do our wings, our shaped wings, and then our leading and trailing edge for our smaller planes. We have, this machine does that.
And you do your own props over here?
Yeah, we were doing our own props, but I don't know if we're still going to do them from now on, or we're just easier to get them.
I think what John Brodak, I think he decided that we are not going to do them. It wasn't really feasible here. Once we, the machinist made this machine, and it's not really feasible for us to make them. We can't produce as many
quick.
as China can
Yeah.
in the
Time that they do.
yeah, and the amounts that we need. So we kind of quit with that idea. But whenever he was doing it, this machine here put the
Put the shape on it.
put the
Yeah,
shape
the
on
airfoil
it.
on it. Yep.
Yeah. It put the pitch on it, didn't it?
Yep.
Yeah. Then we have a sander. We do a lot of our stabilizers and elevators on here. We make a jig for that, and we just run it along here. Put two clamps and clamp the wood down to do those. Because some of these, like this one here, is a half-inch. So we do them. We do those there. Do the fuselages over there. Pretty much all wood everywhere else.
Yeah. A lot of wood.
Yeah. A lot of people come through here, they think that there's a mass amount of people that work here, but there is not.
Wow.
Yeah, we try to keep everything just us.
Wow, look at all this. Okay.
We do our own landing gear. That's where our metal shop comes in. We have all of our wire comes in 48 inches, all 72 inch long. We cut it down to whatever size we need to use.
Here's one right here.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Yep.
And then the machine shop's over there. Clay's over there.
Yeah, this is the machinist. You have it on?
Yep.
Oh, this is the machinist area. And Clay. This is Clay, this is our machinist. And he will explain to you what he does here or what goes on here. How you doing today?
Good, Clay. How are you?
Not too bad.
Well, I make the landing gears and the top extensions I'm working on now. And this machine over here. And I bring it, once I machine it, I bring it over here and tap it on this machine. And this is a machine here. I make the extensions.
Yep.
And the part that goes I got so many parts around. Goes on the front, and this goes in the extension. I just got through finishing with half-inch ones. Now I'm going to do 3/4 long ones. And do you want to see this machine run?
Sure.
You want to step back here, maybe you can.
There we go.
Get some more. Tap your size for 28. It has to be drilled, it has to be tapped on that machine. That's the process.
Very good.
There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 steps.
Very good. Nice work.
The blue one is the starting point. I do 2 steps here, center grill it, then come around and it's kind of warm.
Yeah. Thank you for that. I appreciate it.
I make the landing gears, which is, see these landing gears here is all the ones that I make out of
You make all the spinners?
well, these here.
Oh, I see. I
Yeah.
see what you're showing. Yeah.
Yeah, those
yeah.
spin-
Okay. There. I see. Yeah.
Right now I'm gonna make this one out of brass. I got material there. I'm gonna make that one out of brass. There's, there's more of the spring steel landing gears I make. And then over here, these are all of the aluminum landing gears. I make there's so many of them I had to do a catalog so I knew what was what.
Yep.
That I make, and I have to make I shear them there. I make this jig. I put like 3 of them in there at a time. And I drill them on the drill press. The drill press is set up where these dowels are in the center.
Mm-hmm.
And if my jig's wrong, then these are wrong.
That's right. Well, thank you very much, sir.
You're quite welcome.
Back myself out of here.
Pardon me?
Back myself out of here.
Yeah, it's kind of tight. Yeah,
And how many years have you been here?
19.
19. Very good.
19 years and about ready to hang it up.
Yeah. Well time. Well, thank you very much. I appreciate it.
welcome.
Good job. We'll find Jan again.
Yeah, these are in the back or over here. There's
Oh, there she is. There she is.
excuse me.
I found her.
There, please. Sorry. Oh, found something else. I just got through about the last week and a half running these. These are ones I was showing you, which is a prop extension. Prop goes between here. It's made this way so you can, for different pitch props. And those were 985s, and I just finished them up a while ago.
I think that was it. I think you are at the end of the tour.
Okay. Well, thank you very much, Jan. I really
You're
appreciate
welcome.
it.
Okay.